This is on how to get like Java edition. The only thing you do is like go to like and then search for Mojo Launcher. There it is, Mojo Launcher. Yeah, we can download it. And you can select any single things. I'm gonna pick that. But if you actually, but this is on how to get a new one. What? So if you can correct anything like fabric, quilt, forge, neo forge, create mobile, I don't know. Alright. Okay, so but I'm just gonna create vanilla. I'm gonna name it H HQ just the Q and I'm just gonna name it HP. And then this is gonna be the release. So I'm gonna select the newest release and then that's all. Just save and you can see it's already loaded and play. You can see it's just searching for the metadata and there it is. Now just load. See so how to get Java edition. Alright, just wait, don't worry, it is broken. And like, let us have a mouse on. Sorry, the jump button, debug, third person chat, keyboard, and tab. Yes, tab. And then that's all the things that you move. And then like, there it is. Mojang Studios. See? No Wi-Fi, no things. There it is. To me, nostalgia, I'm gonna put that. See? Let's create a new world. Let's go. Hey, yeah. Alright. Creative mode. Alright. Create new. See. And there it is. It's just lagging, guys. Don't worry. Alright, there it is. You can see the inventory. You can see I have open utilities on, so it can be good. Yeah, like that. Let's see. Golden dandelion. You can see. That's all. That's on how to get